When we were designing this chapel space, we wanted it to be the best of both worlds. To have the indoor and the outdoor feeling when you were in this space. But we really wanted to give kind of the water element, which is what we look for a lot. It just gives you the elements of the pond area, but the orchard area on the other side. NanaWall definitely helped having these sliding doors that can open to feel like a fully open air space and not feel like it's so enclosed. You're in an indoor covered space. It can face any challenges that might occur on a wedding day.